Today on World Famous Foods with Miss Nez and Mr. Oz, we're doing an easy Mediterranean salad. Let's do it. Okay, so our ingredients today are going to be tomato, cucumber, some parsley, sea salt, peppercorn, some sumac, and some olive oil. Now let's just chop up our tomato. Next, we chop up our cucumber. Of course, this cucumber is from our World Famous Foods garden. Then we cut up our parsley. So we added everything together, all of our ingredients together. Just mix this up. But first, a little bit of salt. Peppercorn. Some sumac. Some olive oil. And we just mix this all together. It's as simple as that, folks. Okay, and there's our easy Mediterranean salad.